Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove shuffle play on Spotify. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Spotify and update your Spotify application. Once you complete that step, you simply need to open Spotify. Once you open Spotify, you simply need to click on your library and you will find different songs here. So let me select the random one and then you need to click on the song, and here with the heart you will find the option of shuffle. You simply click on that option and you can turn off shuffle play by tapping on that icon, because it is not available in my country so I'm unable to show you, but you can tap on that icon to stop shuffle play. So this is a process by which you can stop shuffle play on Spotify. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.